Hello there. My name is Thomas. I'm from ESW Capital. I'm calling you to talk about the acquisition we made. We know that it's a company that you trust a lot in their service and the products. And I just to make sure that it will remain the same quality, even better. We have more money to invest on the process to develop new solutions and to provide you a better experience. And we know that your needs, we search a lot about that. We know the contract, we read the contract that your company has with the other one, and we will keep the same opportunities you have and even create new ones, better ones. We are worried about that too. We concerned about that, and just need to make sure that you are comfortable with this process. We are comfortable to talk with new people, new person. To if you have any concerns or doubts, just call me. I will get very pleasure to talk to you, to respond all of that, and to make this process of this transition the best possible. And we are very excited about this opportunity, about to talk together, to work together, talk with a company that we know what the same principles are very similar to ours, and that is the motive I'm calling you to, and to know you better, and to guarantee that the quality and the process, the quality of the process and the service will keep in the highest quality possible, the highest value possible. Okay, so see you later. Call me if something, anything you need, you can call me. And bye bye. It's a pleasure to work with you.